Hi friends, do you really want to get rid of asthma? Then listen carefully. I am Dr. Rashmi Chandwani, practicing for last 25 years. Today I am going to unfold all your queries about asthma and I'll let you know how to live an asthma-free life. Being an asthmatic, you must be really facing a lot of difficulties like tightness in your chest, like difficult breathing. Walking a few steps even tires you. Ascending stairs is a task for you. Any change in weather terrifies you. And you are constantly theorizing what is going wrong. An effective answer lies in that, do you really know yourself? Or even your doctor knows you? When we talk about this, I really want to say that every individual is different from one another. Means everybody's DNA is different. And hence, every asthmatic patient is also different from one another. Because you must have seen that few asthmatic patients, they get their asthmatic attack triggered by exposure to dust or maybe exposure to pollen grains when the weather changes to spring. Whereas others are allergic to processed food items. Like as soon as they consume any cold drink or maybe tomato ketchup or maybe processed cheese, their asthmatic attack gets triggered. And others get really affected as soon as they are exposed to cold air. Time is also again a very important factor. Few are not able to sleep at night. They really wake up at midnight because of difficult breathing. And others are worse in the morning. Early morning, 4 to 5 a.m. is the worst time for them. Even past history and family history plays a very important role when we try and go into the depth of each and every case. Like past history of eczema is very important in any asthmatic patient. Or maybe family history of tuberculosis, cancer, or maybe any other asthmatic histories in the family. They play a very important role when we start treating a patient. So, but when a asthmatic person goes to a general practitioner, what happens that maybe the general practitioner doesn't go into the depth of each and every case because they have a specific set of medicines like anti-allergic cough syrups, nebulizers and puffs which are given to almost everybody. They definitely give you temporary relief, but you must have seen that it never eradicates your trouble or it never gives you a permanent relief. And at every change of weather and as soon as you are exposed to allergens, you get your asthmatic attack again and again. So what is to be done? What happens that when we go to a good homeopathic physician, they go into the depth of each and every case, tries to understand you and your whole case history into the very depth, right from your childhood to your past history to your family history, your likes, dislikes, in order to ascertain the whole case and provide you an effective holistic treatment which not only gives you relief from that difficult breathing, but rather it definitely reassures you that your future attacks will be prevented.